Hey, hold on a second. I want to share something with you. Last week, something really unusual happened to me and my friend. I still think about it. Okay, let me take you back. Rewind. 3, 2, 1. Hi, Mary.
Hey, you made it.
Of course. Just look at this weather.
I know, it's so beautiful today.
Let's head to the park.
Yes, I feel like walking and having fun.
Wow, there are so many people here.
Yeah, kids are running around.
And families are sitting on blankets.
Wait, can you hear that?
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Now I really want one.
Same here. Let's grab it later.
Sounds good. Let's stroll a bit first.
Yeah, this path looks nice.
It feels so calm here.
I feel really good today.
Me too.
Hey, let's sit under that big tree.
Sure.
Come on.
Oh wow, the grass is so soft.
And the breeze feels great.
Yeah, this is so relaxing.
Hey, what's that smile?
Oh, check this out.
What is it?
My bracelet.
Wow, it's gorgeous.
My mom gave it to me.
Really?
Yeah, for my birthday.
The stone looks so bright.
It's real gold.
Seriously?
It belonged to my grandmother.
Oh, that makes it even more meaningful.
Yeah, my mom gave it to me recently.
What did she tell you?
She said I'm growing up.
That's so sweet.
When I wear it, I feel close to them.
Your mom and grandma?
Yes, like they're beside me.
But you need to be careful.
Don't worry about it.
No, I'm serious.
I won't lose it.
Maybe you should keep it in your pocket?
No way.
You run all the time. I'm not joking.
I feel safer wearing it.
Like a charm?
Exactly.
All right. Just remember I warned you.
Okay.
I hope we have a great day.
And 0 problems.
Fingers crossed.
Let's go play.
Yes, swings first.
Push me higher.
All right.
Higher.
You're wild.
This is amazing.
I feel like I'm flying. People are staring at us.
Let them. Let's run.
A race?
Yes.
You're going to lose.
No chance. Go.
Go!
I'm ahead.
Not true.
Wait, stop.
I'm out of breath.
Same here. Wait,
What is it?
something's not right.
What happened?
My bracelet. It's missing.
What?
It's not on me.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Check again.
I did. It's gone.
Oh no.
This is terrible.
Maybe it dropped while we were running.
We need to find it.
Yes, right now.
Let's go back to the tree.
Hurry up.
Do you see anything?
No,
Look in the grass.
nothing.
It's not here.
Okay, let's check the swings.
Come on.
Quickly.
Nothing.
This is bad.
Maybe someone picked it up.
No,
What if it's gone forever?
don't say that.
What should we do?
Let's ask people around.
Okay. Excuse me,
Did you notice a gold bracelet
maybe on the ground?
somewhere here?
Sorry, I didn't notice anything.
Oh, okay.
Thanks anyway.
What now?
We keep searching.
Together?
Always. Okay, let's keep asking people.
Yeah, maybe someone saw it. Excuse me,
Hi, did you happen to see a bracelet on the ground?
Let me think. No, I'm sorry. I didn't notice anything. But I really hope you find it.
thank you.
Thanks anyway.
Let's try someone else.
Yeah, don't stop. Excuse me, sir.
Sorry to bother you.
Did you see a bracelet here in the grass?
No, little one, I didn't see anything like that. But good luck. I hope you find it soon.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Nobody has seen it.
Hey, don't lose hope.
I feel really bad.
Let's check the path again.
The race path?
Yes, just one more time.
Okay. Do you see anything near the flowers?
No,
Under the bench?
nothing.
Near that tree stump?
Still nothing.
Mary,
Yeah?
what if it's really gone?
Hey, come here. We're not stopping yet.
But we looked everywhere.
Just a little more, okay?
Okay.
Sometimes things appear when you don't expect them.
You really think so?
Yes, I do.
All right. Let's keep going. I'm getting tired.
Just a bit more.
Excuse me?
Did you hear that?
Did someone lose a bracelet?
Wait.
Turn around.
Oh my.
Look.
That girl. She's holding something. That's my bracelet.
Go.
Hey, that's mine.
Oh, is it yours?
Yes, it is.
I found it near the swings. It was lying in the grass.
Thank you so much.
Wow, you found it.
I can't believe it.
You saved her day.
I didn't know who it belonged to.
You did the right thing. Thank you, really.
You're amazing.
This means so much to me.
She was really worried.
I'm happy I could help.
You're very kind.
Yeah, you're like a hero.
Really? Okay. Bye.
Bye.
See you.
Thank you again.
He's running back to her friends.
I can't stop smiling.
You got it back.
I really did. I thought it was gone forever.
See? I told you.
You were right.
Never give up.
Sometimes help comes out of nowhere.
Exactly.
Look at it. It's shining.
Still beautiful.
It's more than just a bracelet now.
Yeah.
It reminds me of everything.
Your family.
And you.
Oh,
Thank you for staying with me.
of course.
I was so scared,
I know.
but you didn't leave me.
Never.
You're a really good friend.
And you're mine.
This bracelet is important,
Yeah.
but friendship and kindness are even more valuable.
That's true.
Without you and that girl?
You'd still be searching.
Or crying?
Exactly.
Thank you.
Always. But next time,
Oh no.
put it in your pocket. Before you run like crazy.
Okay.
Lesson learned.
Good. I'll be more careful.
You better be.
Look at the sky.
Wow, it's turning orange.
And pink.
Sunset already.
Let's go home.